Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Muhammad Amuddin bin Rosli and I'm excited to present my project, which is Smart Attendance Monitoring System. This project shows or highlight on improving how attendance is recorded and managed, especially in warehouse environment, which is we are using two RFID and cloud computing. As we know, time-based attendance system usually are time-consuming, inefficient, and error-prone. Staff have to spend most of their time signing in manually, and the supervisor need to face delay in collecting and analyzing attendance data. So there are three objectives of this project, which is to compare smart and manual attendance monitoring methods. Secondly, to identify the limitation of current system. And finally, to develop prototype that integrates between RFID and cloud computing for much faster, more accurate and more secure attendance management. The project follows 4 phases. First one, the data flow begins when user log in into Smart App, and then check in and out via RFID tags, and the system automatically upload the data to the cloud, whereas the administrators can view the attendance, approve records and generate reports, all in one real time. Before the implementation, data entry was so slow and accessibility was limited. After deploying the Smart App, attendance record time was reduced more than 2 minutes to just 5 seconds per person. Reporting also become much more faster, from 30 days down to just 1 day. By automating data collection, the system can reduce human error and improve accuracy. Smart App's integration with the cloud computing ensures secure data storage, which is make it easy access, and strong security features such as data encryptions and access control. So in conclusion, Smart Apps demonstrate how technology can enhance the efficiency, accuracy and security in the workforce management. It reduces manual workload for warehouse staff, allowing them to focus on essential operations while management benefits from real-time insights and optimize their resources allocation. And thank you for your attention. This project highlights how innovation can transform everyday administrative processes into smart and data-driven solutions. So if you would like to learn more on how Smart App works, feel free to ask anything. I have been happy to show you how it works. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.